Dumpster rental service in Sandy Springs, Georgia. When you're in need of a reliable and efficient dumpster rental service in Sandy Springs, Georgia, OnSite Environmental Services is here to help. Offering a range of dumpster sizes for both residential and commercial needs, we ensure that your waste removal process is hassle-free and convenient. Whether you're cleaning out your home, remodeling, or managing a construction project, our dumpsters are perfect for disposing of unwanted items quickly and responsibly. At OnSite Environmental Services, we prioritize customer satisfaction and are committed to providing prompt, professional service. Our dumpsters are ideal for a variety of uses, including home cleanouts, garage decluttering, landscaping projects, and more. With our flexible rental periods, you can rent a dumpster for as long as you need, giving you the time to manage your project effectively. We understand the importance of environmental responsibility, which is why we focus on eco-friendly disposal practices. When you choose our dumpster rental service, you're ensuring that your waste is disposed of properly and sustainably. For dumpster rental services in Sandy Springs, Georgia, trust OnSite Environmental Services to handle your waste removal needs. Call us today at 470-507-3569 to get a quote or to schedule your dumpster rental. Let us make your cleanup or construction project easier.